Students, I Dinesh Pratap Singh, Assistant Professor EC, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology. Today, I will take lecture on multi-career CDMA for EC 8 semester students. Multi-career CDMA like orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. This is latest modulation technique that is used in 3G wireless mobile communication. Concept of multi-carrier CDMA. Multi-carrier code division multiple access is a relatively new concept. This is new concept. Its development improved performance over multipath links. Multi-carrier CDMA is a modulation method that uses multi-carrier transmissions like OFDM of direct sequence CDMA signals. Yee and Leonard's showed that multi-carrier CDMA signals can also be detected with fairly simple receiver structures using an FFT fast frequency transform and a variable gain diversity combiner in which the gain of each branch is controlled only by the channel attenuation at that subcarrier. At Hague meeting, optimum gain control functions were presented. Results showed that a fully loaded multi-carrier CDMA system, such as one in which the number of users equals the spread factor, can operate in a highly time dispersive channel with satisfactory bit error rate (BER). Number of users equals to the spreading factor, where number of subcarriers or users equals to spreading factor, can operate in a highly time dispersive channel with satisfactory bit error rate. These results appeared in contrast to the behavior of a fully loaded direct sequence CDMA link that typically doesn't work satisfactorily with large time dispersion. What is orthogonal multi-carrier CDMA? There are many equivalent ways to describe MC-CDMA. It is a form of CDMA or spread spectrum, but we apply the spreading in the frequency domain rather than time domain as in डायरेक्ट सीक्वेंस CDMA. MC CDMA में फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन का यूज़ करते हैं rather than टाइम डोमेन. MC CDMA is a form of direct sequence CDMA, but after spreading FFT is performed, fast Fourier transform is performed. Multi-carrier CDMA is a form of OFDM, but we first apply an orthogonal matrix operation to the user bits. Orthogonal matrix such as in the form of binary bits 1 and 0 or 1 and -1. Therefore, MC-CDMA is sometimes also called CDMA-OFDM. MC-CDMA is a form of direct sequence CDMA, but our code sequence is the Fourier transform of a Walsh-Hadamard sequence codes. MC-CDMA is a form of frequency diversity, जो कि फ्रीक्वेंसी डोमेन में वर्क करता है, इसलिए इसमें टाइम डाइवर्सिटी की जगह फ्रीक्वेंसी डाइवर्सिटी यूज़ करते हैं. ईच बिट इज़ ट्रांसमिटेड साइमल्टेनियसली. ईच बिट ट्रांसमिटेड साइमल्टेनियसली मीन्स पैरेलली ईच बिट ट्रांसमिट होती. इसमें पैरेलल ट्रांसमिशन होता है. नंबर ऑफ जितने भी कैरियर्स हैं वो पैरेलल ट्रांसमिशन करते हैं डेटा का. ईच सब कैरियर हैज़ a constant phase offset. The set of frequency offset form a code to distinguish different users. This is possible transmitter implementation of multi-carrier CDMA system, where transmitted bits impose on carrier cos 2 pi fct, and these subcarriers C1, C0, C1 up to Cn and modulated with cos 2 pi fct cos 2 pi fc plus f by tb into t dash dash cos 2 pi fc plus n minus 1 into f upon tb into t, where tb is bit duration and capital N is number of subcarriers, or AIK is transmitted signal in the form of amplitude and its spectrum. This figure is possible implementation of multi-carrier spread spectrum transmitter. All subcarriers modulated with A0K to up to A1K number of subcarriers up to capital N, that is summed by and then transmit as a transmitted signal. Each bit is transmitted over n different subcarriers. Each subcarrier has its own phase offset determined by the spreading code. Multi-carrier code CDMA system allows simultaneous transmission of several user signals on the same set of subcarriers. In the downlink multiplexer, this can be implemented using an inverse FFT and a code matrix. This is inverse FFT and code matrix MCCDMA base station multiplexer and transmitter. Where user signal use Gauss-Hadamard code matrix. This is inverse fast frequency transform and a code matrix send parallel to serial data converter. Parallel to serial data converter goes to transmitting antenna, and there it transmitted the signal. MCCDMA is a special case of direct sequence CDMA, where user signal goes to serial to parallel converter. Means user signal converted serially to parallel. Serial data is converted to parallel data. नंबर ऑफ पैरेलल सब स्ट्रीम्स में डेटा को कन्वर्ट करते हैं और वाल्स हैडमडर्ड कोड वेक्टर यूज़ करते हैं. देन आफ्टर कोडिंग वेक्टर IFFT इनवर्स फास्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी ट्रांसफॉर्म यूज़ करते हैं सभी पैरेलल स्ट्रीम्स का, और देन इट सेंड्स टू पैरेलल टू सीरियल कन्वर्टर. यहाँ पे सीरियली डेटा ट्रांसमिटर एंड पे चला जाता है. तो इस तरह से ये ट्रांसमिशन इसका होता है. पॉसिबल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ मल्टी कैरियर स्प्रेड स्पेक्ट्रम ट्रांसमीटर. ईच बिट इज ट्रांसमिटेड ओवर n number of different subcarriers. Each subcarrier has its own phase offset determined by the spreading code. The above transmitter can be implemented as a DS-CDMA transmitter, such as one in which the user signal is multiplied by a fast code sequence, that is Waals-Hadamard code. However, the new code sequence is the discrete Fourier transform of a binary, say Waals-Hadamard code sequence, so it has complex values. Waals-Hadamard code vector and alternative implementation of a multi-carrier spread spectrum transmitter using the direct sequence. Receiver design. Because of delay spread and frequency dispersion due to multipath fading, subcarriers are received with different amplitudes. An important aspect of the receiver design is how to treat the individual subcarriers depending on their amplitude rho I. Options are linear combining by weighing the ith subcarrier by a factor di according to maximum ratio combining di is equal to rho I. This optimally combats noise but doesn't exploit interference nulling. See also MRC diversity means maximum ratio combining diversity equal gain di is equal to 1. The simplest solution इसको EGC डाइवर्सिटी भी बोलते हैं. इक्वलाइजेशन डी आई इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन रो आई. द परफेक्टली रिस्टोर्स ऑर्थोगोनैलिटी एंड नल्स इंटरफेरेंस बट एक्सेसिवली बूस्ट्स नॉइज. वेनर फिल्टरिंग डी आई इज इक्वल टू रो आई upon rho I square plus C. This gives the best post combiner SNR plus interference ratio and maximum likelihood detection. This is the receiver model of maximum likelihood detection. Their signal is spread in Wahl's Hadamard codes and there is number of n subcarriers vectors D0, D1 up to Dn dj plus 1. Then there is summer. After summing there is integrator circuit and then transmitter, then received detector signal. This is receiver model of multi-carrier CDMA. What are the advantages of MC-CDMA compared to DS-CDMA? DS-CDMA is a method to share spectrum among multiple simultaneous users. Moreover, it can exploit frequency diversity using a rake receiver. However, in dispersive multipath channel, DS-CDMA with a spread factor capital N can accommodate capital N simultaneous users. Only if highly complex interference cancellation techniques are used. In practice, this is difficult to implement. MC-CDMA can handle N simultaneous users with good bit error rate using standard receiver techniques. Compared to FDM, to avoid excessive bit errors on subcarriers that are in a deep fade, OFDM typically applies coding. Hence, the number of subcarriers needed is larger than the number of bits or symbols transmitted simultaneously. So, MC-CDMA replaces this encoding by N cross N matrix operation. Our initial results reveal an improved BER rate. Thank you so much. This is the end of presentation. Thank you.